Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by pressing Shift-Command-5 to open the Capture toolbar. This is faster than hunting menus. Once the toolbar appears, choose whether you want the entire screen, a single window, or a selected portion. This determines file size and focus. Make sure to set options next. Pick a save location, enable the microphone if you need audio, and set a 5 or 10-second timer when you need time to prepare. This prepares everything so you can record cleanly. Now refine exactly what you'll capture. Drag the selection handles and use space to reposition the area precisely, because cropping early saves editing time later. Once done, open options again to toggle the internal microphone if you want narration and enable show mouse clicks to highlight actions. This helps viewers follow along. When you're satisfied with framing and audio, click Record or Record Selected Portion. The recording starts after any timer, and the toolbar hides so you get a clean capture. To finish, click the Stop button in the menu bar or press Shift-Command-5 and choose Stop. The file appears in your chosen save location immediately. Once saved, open the clip in Quick Look or iMovie to trim unwanted sections. Simple trims keep quality intact. If you don't hear audio, make sure you granted microphone access in system settings under Privacy and Security, and confirm the correct input is selected. This fixes most capture problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.